Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we will install Ubuntu in our Windows 10 operating system with the help of virtualization. So here I have opened Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox Manager. You can install it with the help of Google, and after that we will create a new virtual machine by going here. But before this we will try to download the image for our Ubuntu desktop. So for that, let's go to ubuntu.com official site, and here in download section you can download 20.04 LTS. You can download it from here, and as soon as you click, your download will get started. So for now, as I have already downloaded it, I'm cancelling this download and I will show you here. This is the ISO image which we will install. So here let's create a new virtual machine with name, any name you can give. Here it will install in, this is a by default path which is given. You can choose here Linux, and here you can choose Ubuntu 64-bit. So if Ubuntu 64-bit is not available, it means you need to enable virtualization for your Windows 10. Now click next. So here is a memory size by default allocated. Let's keep it as it is and click next. Create a virtual disk now. Create. Keep it by default as it is and click next. So I'm here allocating fixed size instead of allocating dynamic size. So here it will take 10 GB and I will create it. So here it is creating the virtual hard disk. It has got created. Now here in settings, go on to the storage. In storage, click here on empty, and here is a optical disk icon is getting displayed. Click on here and choose disk file. So here, as you can see, there is one desktop AMD 64.ISO is available. So open this, click on OK. Again in settings, we need to enable NAT. So for this, go into the storage, on network. So enable network adapter, and it is attached to NAT. Enable another adapter also, and choose here host only adapter. Keep it as it is, host only adapter. Click OK. Now click start. So as soon as you click on start, your installation will get started for installing Ubuntu on your Windows 10 operating system. So here it is installing Ubuntu and checking the disk space. So it has checked for errors, and luckily we don't have any errors. So as you can see, the desktop of Ubuntu is displaying here. We need to wait for the installation to get processed and completely done. Now here this pop-up appears. So here it is asking for install Ubuntu. We will click here install Ubuntu for English version. Click here continue because my by default language is English. So here we will start with the minimal installation instead of normal installation because I just need the web browser and the basic utilities. So I'm going with this minimal installation and I will click on continue. It depends how speedily this activity get processed. It's all according to the RAM size being allocated in your system. So you can see here it is in process. Okay, so it is saying erase disk and install Ubuntu. You can click here install now. So here it is showing some options. You just click on continue. Here you can choose India, your current country. And continue. Now here it is asking for your credentials, your username. So let me give here my name and here I will give my password. Require my password to log in or log in automatically. I'm choosing login automatically. Click on continue. So here it is now copying files. It will take some time. So here it is showing almost finished copying files. We just need to wait a few more minutes to make it done. So your installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use this new installation. So I'm just restarting now.